The next outfit, and for this look I have got on this gorgeous wool blend blazer from Amazon Fashion. I know lots of you love this blazer, but it is now sold out. But if you saw my Black Friday videos, you will have seen that I featured a couple of really great similar alternatives. I will pop some cutaways in of them, but I found a really great one from ASOS and then one from Mango as well. So I'll leave those alternative options linked below as well, but it's just a really beautiful like autumn winter blazer. Underneath I have got on a black cashmere roll neck from Everlane, and this is actually a jumper dress, so it comes to about here, but I've just sort of tucked the bottom under my bra and then tucked this bit in, and you can't tell at all. And because it's cashmere, it just feels so warm and soft to the skin as well. And although this outfit doesn't look like the most kind of chunky winter outfit, it does still feel really warm and cozy. And then I've got on the same black jeans as before from Everlane and the same belt as well, but this time I have styled them with black ankle boots. And I think again they work really well with black ankle boots, but this outfit would also look great with the black loafers as well. Black bag is from Polène, and this is just a really great everyday bag. And then for my jewellery, I've got on this 14 karat gold chain necklace, and then I've just popped this little tag on there. This is also from Majuri, but you buy them separately. And I've got mine engraved with an L for Lou. You can have them engraved, and I think they work really nice together. And then for my earrings, I've just popped in these gorgeous little chunky hoops as well to finish off the look. And I think it works really well as like an autumn to winter outfit. You could also add another layer underneath the cashmere if you wanted a bit more warmth, but this feels super warm. And again, you could even pop a black coat over the top if you wanted to really add another layer as well. But yeah, gorgeous outfit and really easily recreated.